work, but you gotta put in work.
Hi y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's Megan with Savage Sally. I wanted to show you some of the things I found at the thrift store and antique store locally today that I'll be reselling on Poshmark. And assuming they sell over the next few weeks, I'll be posting to show you how I did with these items. So come take a look. Here are the items I found today. I got a Carlo Robelli acoustic guitar for $35, which I will try to resell for about $100. A 1973 Avon pendant necklace with the case for $4, which I will try to resell for $25. A beautiful silk scarf printed for $2, resale value about $10. Some Sandro Rossi heeled sandals, very cute. Got those for $6. I will resell for about $45. I got 5 belts for $5, which I will try to sell for between $15 and $25 a piece. A gorgeous silver cuff bracelet for $5, which I will resell for about $25. And an authentic Coach purse. I paid $8, and I will try to resell for about $40. A vintage red cowgirl hat by Trail Boss. I haven't looked up the value of this yet, but I will probably resell for $45. And then some dresses here. I got a lace midi dress by Chris McLaughlin. Paid $5, resale value $35. A halter style mini lace dress. It's beautiful. I paid $5, resale value about $35. A gorgeous off the shoulder mini dress with bell sleeves. Resale value about $45. And a vintage full-length slip dress I paid $2 for, that I will resell for about $25. So some of the ways that I price my items are by Google searching, of course, the brand name and the item I'm selling, and I can, typically find the value that way. But another way I like to do it is to type into Poshmark the brand name and the item that I'm selling, and searching the sold items to see what similar items have sold for. So those are 2 really good tips when it comes to pricing your items. But if you have any more suggestions, or there's a really great way that you do this, please comment below.
Let's take a quick glimpse at the items I've listed. Be sure to pay attention to the photographs I've taken, and you can see how I do things. First up, we have the vintage western red cowgirl hat that I had paid $15 for. Upon research, it was originally $85 when new, and so I've listed for $45. If sold for this price, I will return $36. The vintage black and red belt that I paid $1 for, I've listed for $15, and if sold for $15, we'll get $12. The 1973 Avon pendant necklace that I had paid $4 for has been listed for $25, and if sold for $25, I will return $20. We have the beautiful boho print silk scarf that I paid $2 for. I've listed for $15, and if sold, will return $12. Next up, the new without tags silver and orange extra large cuff bracelet that I paid $5 for has been listed for $30, and if sold for that price, will return $24. We have the camel brown heeled sandals that upon research are worth around $50. These can be found at Anthropologie, which in my opinion has overpriced clothing. So I've listed for $50. If sold for that amount, I will make $40. And I originally paid $6. Next, the vintage silver skinny seashell belt that I paid $1 for has been listed for $20. If sold for $20, I will get $16. The gold clunk coin belt that I paid $1 for has been listed for $18, and if sold for this price, will return $14.40. The vintage black and gold oversized belt that I paid $1 for has been listed for $25, and if sold for $25, will return $20. The Coach vintage 90s black shoulder bag that I paid $8 for has been listed for $38 due to the fact that it has some discoloration that I noticed after the fact. If I sell for $38, then I will make $30.40. Next, the striped bell sleeve mini dress that I paid $5 for. My mother desperately wants to purchase from me now, but instead I listed on Poshmark for $45. I hope to return $36 if sold for the full amount of $45. Next up, the Vanity Fair full-length slip dress that I had paid $2 for. I am listing for $28, and if sold for this amount, will return $22.40. A vintage cream white lace midi dress that I paid $5 for has been listed for $35, and if sold for this amount, will return $28. And lastly, the beautiful lace halter mini dress that I paid $5 for has been listed for $30, and if sold for this amount, will return $24.
Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you like my video. If so, please hit the like button. And if you'd like me to upload similar videos to this one in the future, just comment below. And please subscribe to future videos if you'd like. Tomorrow we'll be going over taking measurements for your Poshmark listing, so stay tuned.
You don't gotta go to work, 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 but you gotta put in work.